Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on this look. This is a quick look that I did this morning, and I'm actually filming this a few hours later, so you can also see how the makeup has worn on. I haven't touched up anything apart from my lipstick, and if you're interested to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching.
So first we're going to go in with the Too Faced Hangover Primer. It really hydrates and moisturizes your skin. Now going in with the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation, I'm just dabbing it all over my skin and then using a brush to blend it all out. I'm now just adding where I need a little more coverage and just blending it all out once again. I am now using the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer. This was the first time I've tried it and I've enjoyed the concealer, but I didn't add too much because I didn't want a heavy look. So I think I should have color corrected a little bit to give it a better finish. But I think it is a nice concealer and it didn't crease and stayed on really well the entire day. I'm now going in with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder and just setting everything into place. I'm using the shade Pound Cake. I didn't bake with it today, but I just used it to set it in and dusted it all over my face. Now going in with the Too Faced Chocolate Bronzer, I'm just bronzing up my skin. Usually I don't contour regularly, I just bronze up my skin. And now with the Dior Blush in Rosebud, I'm just adding it to the cheeks just to give myself a little color. Now going in with the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter, which was a limited edition, but they are re-releasing it this holiday season. So if you were wanting to pick it up, this would be a great time as they have re-released it. And I'm using the Fenty Beauty highlighter brush that I am enjoying. And I think it's a nice blush. It blends in the highlighter really easily, but I've just used it with this highlighter, so I do want to try it out with other highlighters. Now going in with the Urban Decay primer portion, I put it all over my eyelids, and going in with the to Run eyeshadow palette, I just used the shade Weekender into my crease. And now adding this shade Still Shot as well into my crease. I think if you're looking for one palette this season, it should be this one. It has a great variety of color. And now just going in with the shade Hell Ride on my outer corners. So as I was saying, this palette has like a really nice range of colors. The formulation is good. It's got a nice mix of mattes and shimmer, like satiny colors. So if you're looking for one color and a versatile palette, I would go for this, but it is a warmish palette rather than a cool tone. Now I'm just packing on the shade Guilt Trip all over my eyelids and blending in a little more of the Hell Ride on my outer crease. Using my fingers, I'm just adding the shade Breakaway on my brow bone highlight. I don't want anything much going on there. Then with the shade Blaze, I'm just adding that into my inner corner to brighten that area up a little. Now I'm just doing my brows. I did my brows off camera, and I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil in the shade Whiskey in my lower waterline. And I did my eyeliner off camera as well. I then just used the shade Punk to smudge out my lower lash line, setting everything in with the Urban Decay All Nighter. And adding the Marc Jacobs mascara. This mascara gave me a lot of length and volume, so I did really enjoy it. Now just adding my lip. This is the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Icon. I really enjoyed doing this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as well. And I would totally recommend the Born to Run palette if you're looking for a new palette, and the Amrezy highlighter if you can get your hands on it.
And here's the final look. I hope you guys like it. I am really loving this highlighter. And if you did enjoy, please do like, subscribe, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram at makeupdiariesbysukrita, and hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. And till next time.